This is the coolest magic I ever experienced in my life. I was shocked in his magic, and Magnus, he will magic me again for the second time, I think. Okay, I think for the second time he will magic me again. But today, it's a different magic. You will see. And my flower horn here is watching too. Okay. So this is the magician, Magnus.
Okay,
Presenting. Okay.
I have an ace of spades
Okay.
and jack of hearts.
Jack of hearts.
Ace of spades, jack of hearts. When I put my jack of hearts here in my back,
Okay.
in my right hand.
Ace of spades.
What?
In
I
your
put my
hand.
jack of
Oh,
hearts.
Jack of hearts there.
Yes, it's still jack of hearts.
Okay.
But when I put my ace of spades here in my back, what is this?
In your right hand.
Yes.
Ace of spades.
Means it's jack of hearts. Again.
Again.
Spade, jack of hearts. When I
Okay.
put my jack of hearts here, what's this?
Jack
my
of
right
hearts.
hand.
Jack of hearts. Your right hand.
Ace of spades.
Oh.
Oh.
What's that? What's that?
Don't corrupt.
Don't corrupt. Okay. Oh! You are so demon. Yes, I very like it. Did you see that? Huh? Did you see that? Okay. Very nice, di ba? Oh yeah.
I'm
Diba?
gonna play now.
Okay.
Tapos ipot mo na please.
Okay. Okay, gonna play now.
Yes.
Uy, ba't nawala siya? Nasaan na? Wala. Uy.